Namaste, I Khushi Diwan, head girl of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 8th January 2021. First of all, let's have a look on Panchang. So I would request our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to tell us about today's Panchang. Namaste sir.
नमस्ते खुशी। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2077, हमारा राष्ट्रीय शक संवत 1942, आज पौष माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की दशमी तिथि है, अर्थात एकादशी का व्रत जिसे हम सफला एकादशी व्रत भी कहते हैं, वह कल है। आज का नक्षत्र स्वाति, आज का योग धृति है। प्रविष्टे की यदि बात की जाए तो पौष माह के 25 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह जमद उल अव्वल की आज 23 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you sir for sharing today's Panchang with us. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I would request you all to join your hands and close your eyes for prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
जयतु विवेकानंद योगेवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जय वीरेश्वर जय शिव शंकर जय 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 महाराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकाय। मोहतिमिरहर प्रखर दिवाकर उदित जगत हितकाज। तमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। तमनाशत जड़ चित्त जगवत चेतन सकल समाज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। 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 त्रिभुवन के सरताज। मूर्त विवेक विराग ज्ञान बल। त्रिभुवन के सरताज। सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। सकल विद्या भ्रांति हरो प्रभु। चित में करो विराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज। जयतु विवेकानंद योगीवर युगाचार्य यतिराज।
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Be ready for national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक। जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
As you all know, every year to mark the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand ji, our school celebrated as Srijnoday. Now I would invite Mrs. Monica and Mr. Jaskirat to share some information about Srijnoday with us.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teacher, parents and my dear students. As most of you know, every year our school celebrates Swami Vivekanand's birth anniversary as Srijnoday, that is Vivekanand Smriti Samaroh. This year we are going to celebrate 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda on 12th Jan 2021. The objective of this event is to inculcate the character building teaching of Swami Vivekananda and to develop the interest of students in emotional, social, physical, spiritual and intellectual virtues. Srijnoday is not a competition but a platform to hone the talent of students as per our school's Panchatantra philosophy of education. Every student's performance is assessed on basis of 5-point grades. E-certificates will be issued to all the participants. During this pandemic, nothing can stop to pursue our tradition of celebrating and providing the same platform that we used to do physically. Now, we come to the details of competitions. Our competitions are mainly categorized under 5 main categories, that is Gyanudaya, Abhasudaya, Bhavudaya, Kalaudaya and Pranudaya. In Gyanudaya we have Kavyanjali for nursery, KG and first class, Subhasitam for 2nd, 3rd and 4th, Swamiji's Bhajan for 5th, 6th and 7th, and E-magazine for 8th, 9th and 11th. In the same way, we have 4 main categories under Abhasudaya, that is Thoughts of Swami Vivekananda, Discourses of Swami Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda's Address and Poet Digest. Under Bhavudaya we have Talking Titans, I Am a Scientist, Rhythmic Symphony and The Chronicles. 4th category we have Kalaudaya. Under this we have Ulta Pulta, Shape Mania, My Country, My Pride and Poster of Swami Vivekananda. Last but not least we have Pranudaya. Under this category all the physical activities included, mainly yogic asanas and circuit training. Now I hand over to Mr. Jaskirat. He will guide you how to register for these competitions. Now Mr. Jaskirat.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for providing us the detailed information regarding Srijnodaya 2021. So namaste to all, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, respected parents and dear students. As we all know that this year Srijnodaya is taking place virtually. So I will be guiding you that how you can register yourself and how you can upload your videos under any category of Srijnodaya 2021. So as you all can see that I have shared this screen. So this is the link that has already been shared with you all. So vivekanandpnj.com/srijnodaya2021.html. So this is the link and it is already been shared. So here you can see the page. So we have different categories like Gyanudaya, Abhasudaya, Bhavudaya, Kalaudaya, Pranudaya. So under these categories, in which event that you want to participate, you can come here. So I want to participate in Ulta Pulta, so which is under the Kalaudaya category. So in Ulta Pulta we can see the little description here and in which class that it can participate and the competition detail. So when you want to register yourself, you have to click here which is says click here to register. So when I click here, it will open up a Google form where you have to register yourself. So once you open this form, you can see the 2 options here. So here it is written, kindly choose the appropriate answer down below. So one option is for upload and second one is for register now. So if you have already registered yourself, you can upload your video. So for example, I am a new student and I want to register. So first I will click here to register now, and after that I will click here on the next button. After pressing the next button, it is very simple. All the instructions, rules and regulation are being provided in the registration form. So you can go through all the rules and regulation, and after that you have to write the full name and address of your school and mobile number, student name and student class and gender and parents name and parents mobile number, WhatsApp. So you have to share the WhatsApp. After filling out all the details, you have to click submit and your form will be submitted. Similarly, once you have registered yourself, you have to upload your video. So in that case, you have to click on yes. Yes student, you have to come here again to the Srijnodaya web page and you have to click here to the upload button once you have registered yourself. So I have selected yes here and click on next button, and it will take you to a different page. Here you can see some instructions that if your video is more than 100 MB, then you have to upload it on your YouTube and you have to share the link. But if your video is less than 100 MB, then you can directly upload in this Google form. So here you can see you have to type in the student name, father's name, student school name, parents mobile number, and upload your video here. This only happens if your video is under 100 MB, and if it is more than 100 MB, you have to provide the YouTube link here. So you have to upload on your YouTube application and you have to paste the link here in under this YouTube link option here, and after that you have to click on submit. So it is very easy to register and upload your video in Srijnodaya 2021. So at last I will be explaining the silent features of Srijnodaya. So this year Srijnodaya is taking place virtually, so it is open to all, so anyone can participate in this competition. So if your friends want to participate, they can also participate. So anyone from anywhere around the world, they can participate. And second thing is, participant can participate in as many as competition they want to. So no boundation. So one student can participate in Kavyanjali or under Bhav Uday, Gyan Uday. And at the last, e-certificates will be awarded to every participant as per the 5-point grade scale. I hope I have cleared everything here. So do register for Srijnodaya 2021. Thanks a lot. Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir. Now it's time to hear a motivational story. Today's story will be presented by Mrs. Samiksha, mother of Satyam Parmar, a student of class 4th A. The title of the story is Three Artists. Let's hear the story. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste everyone, myself Samiksha, mother of Satyam Singh Parmar from 4th A. Today I am going to present a moral story, and the title of the story is Three Artists. And the story is, once there lived three artists in a famous city. They were famous for their art. They were known to everyone. They claimed that they were perfectly skilled. Each praised oneself, claiming he was the best artist among them. One day, they decided to have a fair competition to find out who was the best. There was a good prize for the winner. A judge was also appointed to decide the case. The competition started on time. One artist painted flowers, the second painted a fruit, and the third painted a curtain. The judge observed and evaluated them deeply. First, he observed the flower on which a bee was sitting. Then, he observed the fruit to which an ox tried to eat. Both of the pictures were very natural. He praised them. Then, he observed the curtain. It was so natural that he tried to open it to enter the room. The flower was able to deceive the insect, the fruit deceived the beast, and the curtain was able to deceive an intellectual man like him. The judge realized that the picture of the curtain was most natural among them. That's why it was declared the first. Thus, the third artist was able to get the prize. And the moral of the story is, a fair justice is natural and intellectual. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing such an inspirational story with us. Now I would invite Srishti Sharma, a student of class plus 1 commerce, to share new word with us. Namaste, Srishti.
Namaste, I'm Srishti Sharma, a student of class plus 1 commerce from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. The word of the day is corroborate, meaning confirm or to give support. Synonyms are argue, bear out, certify, confirm. Antonyms are challenge, contest, question, dispute. Sentence: my personal experience does not corroborate your faith in the essential goodness of people. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Srishti. It's the time to wish our birthday students. Today is birthday of Simran Kaur of class 2nd B, Vidita of class 8th A. Let's wish them by singing our birthday song. I request all of you to sing with us and bless the students.
लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings to you. That's it in the today's assembly. Thank you and have a nice day.